Merhaba arkadaşlar bugün sizlerle biz makineleri araştırıp bu araya getirdik. Videolarımızı beğendiyseniz like atıp abone olmayı unutmayınız. İyi seyirler. Construction machines are used for a variety of tasks in the construction industry, including excavation. Excavators and bulldozers are used to dig foundations, trenches, and holes for buildings, roads, and other structures. Landscaping. Backhoes, skid steers, and bulldozers are used to shape the land, remove trees, and prepare the ground for landscaping projects. Drilling and blasting. Drilling rigs and blasting equipment are used to create holes for building foundations, tunnels, and other structures. Building and construction. A wide range of machinery, including scaffolding equipment, concrete saws, and portable generators, is used to build and construct various structures, such as buildings, bridges, and roads. Road construction. Pavers, asphalt spreaders, and road rollers are used to build and maintain roads, bridges, and highways. Wall breaking machines are tools used to break apart concrete, brick, or other types of walls. Some common types of wall breaking. Cranes are versatile and essential machines used in construction, manufacturing, and many other industries. The benefits of cranes include increased efficiency and productivity. Cranes allow for the rapid and safe movement of heavy materials and equipment, reducing the time and manpower required for manual handling.